Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you need to open your Microsoft Teams and log in your account. So once you've done that, just go ahead and click on Calendar at the left side of your screen. And now click on New Meeting at the upper right corner of your screen. So once you've done that, just go ahead and put the title of your meeting. And here, add required attendees. So to add people on your meeting, just go ahead and type their username here. So just like that. And now just click on their username or email address. And you can add more people if you want. And here you can set the date and time. So this will last for only 30 minutes, but you can just go ahead and change it. So for example, 12 a.m. And here you can see if you choose 2:30 a.m., your time duration will be 2 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, and here add location, but you can leave that blank if you are going to meet online. Okay, and here type details for this new meeting. Okay, so just go ahead and type the details, and once you've done that, just go ahead and click on send, and the link invitation for this meeting will be sent on your attendees. Okay, so now that is how you schedule a meeting on Microsoft Teams. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.